right, if you are seeing this on TikTok, hopefully the next couple of weeks, we are not lost by this account. And if you are concerned about TikTok closing out, then you can always find me on my YouTube at U1 Algebra, same name. Find me. All the videos are separated out just the same as they are on here. So they are in playlists, and please make sure you follow if you'd like to continue to get more information on different algebra topics and so much more. So we are doing the substitution method here with systems of equations. So I have a setup that's perfect for substitution because we have x by itself. When we have two variables, we need to find out what one of them is first in order to solve for the other one as well. So we are going to take that x in the second equation, and we do know that it is 4y plus 1. So what I'm going to do in the first equation is take where x is right here, and I'm just going to actually replace it with this 4y plus 1. So you put that in parentheses, so we're going to do 2 times the x, which is 4y plus 1, and then the rest of the equation will remain the same. And then we're going to go ahead and distribute appropriately. 4 times 2 is 8y, and then that 2 times 1 is 2. Oops, that's going to be minus 3y is equal to 12. Now we are going to go ahead and combine like terms. We've got the 8y minus the 3y, which is 5y, plus 2 equals 12. So now I'm going to go ahead and get that y alone by subtracting 2 on both sides, leaving with 5y is equal to 10. And then my final step is to divide both sides by 5, and then I get my answer, y is equal to the value of 2. Now that I have that, I can go up to either of the two equations, and it actually does make more sense for me to use the second equation and substitute y in with the 2 in that equation, because everything would be solved on the right-hand side, and then I could get x's value. So what I am going to do is I'm going to go ahead and rewrite that equation. So I'm taking the second equation that I have here, 4 times y, which we just said was 2. I'll place that in there, parentheses, and then plus 1. And then just do our order of operations. 2 times 4, 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So our x value is 9. We should always go back and double check to make sure that it does make both equations true. 2 times 9 is 18, minus 3 times y, which is 2. So 2 times 3 is 6. So 18 minus 6 does equal 12. So I did do this accurately. And obviously it does work with the other equation because that's how we solved to get x. So I know that those two numbers work in both of my equations. So my finalized answer would be in coordinate form, the 9, because that's the x coordinate, followed by the y, which is 2. And so my answer for this would be 9, 2. And if you want more questions like this, find them on my YouTube. Again, U1 Algebra. Check them out in the new playlist of systems of equations, and then substitution method.